Colin here from Max Tie Downs. Today we are installing our no-drill track system for a new Jeep Gladiator. This is a really cool system. As you can see, we're in a dealership environment. This happens to be Pierce Auto Center, almost directly across the highway from us in Sagal, Idaho. Whether or not your Gladiator comes with the factory Jeep track, what it does have are threaded inserts that are awaiting the installation of our track. Do keep in mind, if your vehicle has a spray-in bed liner, you'll want to be cautious to make sure that there's not too much buildup of the urethane bed liner material in the threaded inserts. If so, just clean it out with a tap prior to installing and you'll be good to go. So we're going to take the next few minutes and install this and show you just how great of a clean, no-drill track system this can be. So our kit consists of 3 pieces, 2 for the side rails and 1 across the front. It also comes with 6 of our load rings and all stainless steel attachment hardware. Again, if your Jeep does have the factory Mopar track, you'll appreciate the difference in what ours offers, and that is adjustability on 1-inch increments, a nice clean ring, unlike that big boat cleat looking thing that Jeep sells you. And in order to remove a load ring with our system, you only have to slide it 1/2 inch in either direction, unlike the captive cleats that slide back and forth with the factory Jeep track. You'll notice that the front piece is shorter than the 2 sides by about 2.5 inches. So obviously I'm going to choose the side piece since I'm working on the side. And I'm going to take a metric fastener, and really the only tool needed for this job, aside from a tap if the holes happen to be clogged up with urethane, is a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. Not sure the total elapsed time, but it was pretty darn quick. That's all there is to it other than deciding where you want the load rings to go. You can also substitute out our double stud rings. For more information, 800-666-1586 or order your Gladiator system today on our website at maxtiedowns.com.